Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to open a browser and go to roblox.com. And now guys, once you're here, you just need to go to an avatar editor. And if the avatar editor doesn't open in your device, just tap on this double A to enable desktop website. If you are on Android, just tap on three dot in browser and enable the desktop mode. Once you are here guys, just go to in head and body and go to here, and as you can see I have selected already two hairs. So if I unselect one of them and trying to select two at once, it doesn't work. So how did I do earlier? So you just need to hold a new hair, copy the link address, open a new tab, paste the link over here and copy the asset ID from here, the numeral things in the URL. Just tap on it and copy the asset ID. Go back to avatar editor, just tap on this advanced link and paste your asset ID over here of the new hair. Just tap on the save changes. Your two hairs will be selected at once. So if you want to wear multiple hairs, you have to repeat the steps and you will be able to select multiple hairs at once. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.